My people, today na another yarning so and na this yarnings when I get so na based on this CAF issue with our Nigeria referees. As in AFCON don dey come again AFCON 2025. And the update when me hear the year na say no Nigeria ref dey go Cairo for the training. As in the thing just dey must me. They say for the past 19 years now, as e be like this, AFCON never see any Nigeria ref. And normal, e no supposed to be like that. Last, I still get to blame the NFF. Wetin NFF really dey do? If you look our football now as a whole, mostly for the male side, in short, for the female side, na so e still be, but more just focus on the male side. You know you get anything when they happen. Imagine see World Cup with a struggle to even qualify all Nigeria. And now, no single, for the past 19 years, no single ref don't go AFCON. That thing don't make sense now. The normal thing, this kind of news drop like this, so supposed to they expect, say, the NFF president, you just call into one room, make one explain what they sup. Out of 13 center referees, 36 assistant referees, 11 VAR officials, we no see one Naija person may even enter the matter. The thing they must me, I no go lie, 19 years ago, no it be 19 years ago. Then we get Naija person wey ref last for AFCON. Man, that story no make sense. No be wetin person supposed to dey hear on a norm. I no go lie you. It no make sense at all. I no go lie, when people go dey talk say the NFF, the corruption too much. When people go dey talk all those things, I no blame them now. Because say CAF they let us know say afa, una no blame us, una no get better ref. Locally, no level. The league, they want to deliver well. The way our ref say they blame for the league, you know expect us to come carry them go the big stage when they go referee match. What you expect they won't go they do for them? And what CAF they let us they know so. So for truth, so the bottom line of everything I say, NFF really need to clean up their system. Make they see invest for referee development. And Nigerian name no go dey CAF list for referees. That thing no follow now. But at the same time, they tell them say make they invest on referee development. Even the Super Eagles, they don't still invest. The Super Falcons, they don't invest. The Golden Eagles, they don't invest. But see Golden Eagles that day now. So now those things we need to the yarn. But my people, more now don't forget to now we should be the pigeon vibes. Streets they talk on, now we just the echo and they give una. So when I don't forget to subscribe, when I don't forget to like, when I don't forget to share the update too. We stand up for our Facebook page, Pigeon Vibes. We stand up for Instagram. We see there our TikTok. We see there our X. When they, maybe Twitter that year. All of them are for Pigeon Vibes. My people, una do.